My name is Alexis, and I'm a museum educator at the Art Institute of Chicago. In this video, we'll be discussing a few ways to engage students in meaningful and productive conversations with works of art. Feel free to adapt these strategies to fit your classroom needs or teaching context. And let's begin. The first tip for discussing a work of art is to take your time and look closely. The richest experiences and discussions regarding art involve time for sustained looking. Aim to have students look silently at the artwork for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once you've finished looking, it's time to start asking questions, open-ended questions. Students need to feel safe sharing their ideas. Asking open-ended questions suggests that many possible ways of seeing and interpreting a work of art are encouraged and valued. So the first question I like to ask is, what are you noticing in this artwork? Or what sticks out to you? An example of a student response could be, the first thing I noticed in this painting was the lighting. It's very dark, but I see small areas of light shining down on the figure, specifically on the face and around the cheekbones and forehead. I'm also noticing how big the figure is. He has large muscular arms and thick square fingers. He's really emerging out of the background. Or a younger student might say, the sky is so dark, I think a storm might be coming. Or, wow, this man has really big muscles. It's important to encourage students to support their responses with details found in the image. So, one response mentioned the lighting in the painting and how it illuminates certain parts of the figure. And they also talked about the scale of the figure and how he's emerging out of the background. I might pick one detail and follow up with the question, you mentioned this emergence from the background. What do you see that makes you say that? An example of a student response could be, well, I see this broken rock figure in the background. It is torn in half with jagged edges and cuts. It makes me think the man has broken out of or away from something. It makes me wonder what that thing is. Or, the figure's muscles are so big, they almost take up the whole painting. These are all great observations, and you can see that grounding answers in the image really helps to focus the conversation. Next, you'll want to layer in relevant background or artist information. Layering in a small amount of background information throughout the discussion when relevant can suggest new avenues for deeper thought and consideration. I might start by sharing the title of the work, the artist's name, or influences. This painting is by Charles White, an artist born and raised in Chicago who believed that art could be an influential force in the struggle to promote racial equality for African Americans. The title of this work, This My Brother, was taken from a poem by John Rood. If you want to deepen this conversation even further, I'd suggest reading a few lines from John Rood's poem to see how this affects students' understanding or response to the painting. Layering in other outside sources can help to enrich the discussion. John Rood was a rural miner who experienced a political awakening, and in this painting, the man appears to be breaking from a mountain of rubble, alluding to White's hope and strong desire for social change to be realized. Now that we've learned a bit more information about the artist and what influenced this painting, it's time to ask students to reflect on their own experiences and what they've learned so far as it relates to this message. What I love about Charles White is the way his work still resonates amid today's national dialogues about race, work, equality, and history. You can explore these topics further with essential questions like, what change do you wish to see in the world? How can art inspire change? What dilemmas arise when others view us differently than we view ourselves? These are great themes and questions to explore with your students. Giving students the opportunity to find their own voice and opinions about what they see is a critical part of this experience. Conversations can go in many different directions, so be flexible throughout this process. You can learn more about Charles White and his work at artig.edu/collection. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. See you next time.